Well, here's the aftermath of what was just a nice little 15-minute run of getting the cows out here. What you see behind me is exactly what we wait for all winter, getting these cows out on green grass. And as you'll see in the run that the cows make, they knew what was coming. They were very much happy to be back out grazing like they're supposed to. Let's rewind a little bit and we'll show you how this day started with sorting the cows out and then moving them to the pasture, moving them through the pasture, and then ultimately getting them on this field where we wanted to start grazing for the season.
I'm looking for my left. Blue tags stay in, right?
Yeah, all blue tags. Probably get somebody up here just to hold the line, and then we'll try to push them out. Come on. Let's try and get maybe 3 or 4 at a time. Yeah, the last guy stays as far as the first guy, of course. All right, this is. They're all 3. There you go, all 2. The first 2. Yep. All right, now cut them.
Okay.
All right. 2 heifers right there. Let 1603 go. These 2 go out. Mineral feeder. That was wet over. There's another one.
Thinning it out.
Another one. Are you ready for the big show?
I just got to run up the hill and disconnect the cross line so where they have their opening to go into.
Go in through the water.
Well, I have that all set up, but when we get to the very top,
You want to pull that
where I ran the line up the hill, connect to the other line, I just got to take it out.
When Roy's here next, I think I'm going to have him drop in.
So they just won't bust through this?
Yeah. Somewhere down there, that way we can,
Yeah.
instead of doing this, we can move right in there. Unfortunately, the hydrant's right in the way. But even if we put a gate right over here, and they can connect.
Yeah. How was my fellow employee today?
Doing all right. I'm excited to move the cows.
Between the gates. Yep, please. And then there's a lot more in here, don't you, John? I got lucky with the snow.
I would imagine we're going to want to commingle them in, because if you let these guys out, then they're going to want to charge the way with them. And then maybe we can slow trickle them out instead of it being a stampede. Don't get me wrong, a stampede would be absolutely awesome.
Great for camera.
Yeah. All right, tight. Okay, you guys ready? What's that? Now we gotta push these dudes out of the barn. Come on, get out of the barn. Out of the barn. Out of the barn. Oh, they're all happy. Go ahead, buddy. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. So much, oh gosh. So much for the slow trickle.
Can I come over?
You guys are on the move.
Hold
Yeah.
man. Oh.
Yeah.
Whoa,
Watch yourself there, Simon.
Here, I got you. You guys go ahead.
Yeah, you gotta keep up with the other guys.
Yeah. Come on, Gus, let's go. Let's go, boys. Let's go, bull. Hey, Luke, you want to try to get up ahead of them? Get a shot of them. Yeah, there's enough protein in this.
It's good, Simon.
Hey, the line held up. They didn't jump it.
Your first successful herd.
So the culmination of today's events gets these cows back out on high quality forage, which is what we use to produce the high quality 100% grass-fed beef that we grow here. So stay tuned for some additional videos throughout the season as we show all the different grass species that we grow here and different forage species that the cows eat that we use to create this delicious product that we make here at the farm.